Hello guys, welcome back to another video of 30 days CAD challenge where we would be making 3D models out of 2D models. Today we are going to make model 8 on SolidWorks. We are going to explore more new features of SolidWorks. The learning outcome that you would get from this video is how to use revolve base boss feature, how to use the mirror command, how to use the offset entities command. And hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's start. Open SolidWorks and changed the units into mmgs. This is our model for today, so let's start. First of all, just make a center line. Okay, now just make this half part. Give it a dimension. Make it 25. We have given it. Okay. Now here it is given R3 type. So give it a sketch fillet over here and here. Click on OK. And okay. Also give dimensions over here. 30. And it is 35. Okay. Period till here. Also click on offset. First go to offset and it is given 1 mm thickness. Make it 1 and select these. It would automatically select the whole thing. Click OK. Now press Ctrl and select all this. Okay. And where are the entities? Selecting this and OK. Here is this. Click on this. OK. So you see here we are completed till here. Okay. So guys, what we will do now, we'll just delete this one. As we saw, it was not taking the revolve command because we didn't close these points. So first of all, close these points. Okay, now draw a center line from here till here. Okay, now go to revolve base boss feature, and as you can see over here, the review came. So now you can see our model is ready. So here model 8 is complete. Do let us know if you came across any difficulty in the comment sections, and like, share and subscribe to our channel Start Scratch, and check out other videos to learn similar skills through our bite-sized content. Thank you.